Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Right now we're here at Shanghai Singapore Airport. We're on a 15-hour transit. In today's video, we're going to be seeing what are the fun and free things that you can do inside the airport. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So the first thing we're going to do is grab some breakfast. We saw this cafe next to us. It's called Polar Cafe. It's pretty crowded and there were many people buying from here. It's a French cafe. Had few savory options, but mostly sweet. Many muffins, breads, croissants, and few pies. They also had coffee and hot chocolate. Few prepackaged biscuits and bagels were also available. I ordered a chocolate croissant and my mom got a biscuit that's in the shape of a heart. Now we're gonna go to Cactus Garden. Nestled amidst the bustling transit hub of Shanghai Airport lies a hidden gem, the Cactus Garden. This rooftop haven office is surprising escape from the hustle and bustle of transporting you to a world of sparky succulents and arid landscapes. Here's why you should add the Cactus Garden to your Shanghai Airport initiative. Because it has a diverse collection boasting over 100 species of cacti and arid plants. The garden showcases an incredible variety of shapes, sizes, and textures, from the iconic Golden Barrel Cactus with its distinctive ribbed surface to the Old Man Cactus with its flowing white hair. There's something to marvel at every turn. So now we're at the enchanting water lily garden in Shanghai Airport. This gem amidst the bustling airport offers a moment of serenity and beauty, making it the perfect place to unwind before or after your flight. Step inside the garden and you're immediately transported to a peaceful haven. The air is filled with gentle fragrance of water lilies and the calming sound of trickling water creates a soothing atmosphere as you stroll along the pathway. You're greeted by a breathtaking spectacle of vibrant blooms. And water lilies with their water lettuce. While Shanghai Airport boasts impressive attractions like the Jewel and its butterfly garden, a less known gem awaits discovery, the charming goldfish ponds in Terminal 1. This tranquil oasis offers a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of travel, providing a moment of peace and quiet for weary travelers. There were also these large structures that were covered in plants and had these massive ladybugs sitting on it. Under that was a pond with some pretty large goldfish and many small fish that were just lying on the ground. I couldn't tell if they were dead or just lying on the ground. And the next clip is gonna be a hyperlapse of a Qatar Airways flight landing and parking in its anchor. In the airport, there were also some really expensive designer brands like Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Tiffany and Co. Guys, so now we're finished level 1 of Singapore Airport. This is the end of level 1 and travel around the entire floor. Now we're gonna go up to level 2 and see what's there. Shanghai Airport isn't just a transit hub, it's an experience in itself. Among its many attractions, Discovery Garden stands out as a haven for nature lovers and a visual treat for everyone. Nestled within Terminal 1, Discovery Garden is a verdant oasis teeming with diverse foliage and unique sculptures. Tree-like structures clad in lush greenery create a captivating canopy, while winding pathways invite exploration. These tree-like structures are formed with many tiny plants that are put together on wire that make a large structure. And then there you can see my mom. She's waving and she's drinking water. So this pathway actually leads to the level two of Terminal One. On level two, there's also many other things like all the restaurants, all the Singapore restaurants, and sleeping lounge. The sleeping lounge was really well, and you'll see that in the next clip. Guys, this was the sleeping lounge in Shanghai Airport. It was such a nice, comfortable place, really nice, comfortable couches and places for sleeping. They had charging ports and everything that you needed. It was quiet and cold. As this was the restaurant we ate at for lunch at Singapore Airport. There'll be a whole different video on this coming on the Super Eats in some time, so watch out for that. Okay, guys, so now we're in this SkyTrain, and this SkyTrain takes us from Terminal 1 to Terminal 3. Just basically metro that you catch onto so that we can go to Terminal 3. This is what the view looks like. So the train is completely automatic, it has no driver. It goes and comes by itself. It goes very slowly too. Okay, guys, so now we're in Terminal 3 in Singapore Airport, and we're gonna go. So now we're at the Shanghai Airport Butterfly Garden. It offers just that unique haven for butterflies and mesmerizing experience for travelers. Located in Terminal 3, just this enchanting two-story garden is home to over 1,000 butterflies from 40 different species. As you wander through the lush greenery, you'll be captivated by a kaleidoscope of colors fluttering around you. The garden is meticulously designed to mimic their natural habitat. Lush foliage, cascading waterfalls, and colorful flowers provide the perfect environment for these delicate creatures to thrive. The butterfly garden is not just beautiful, it's educational too. Interactive exhibits and information panels tell you about the fascinating life cycle of butterflies and their importance to the ecosystem. The butterfly garden is a haven of peace and tranquility within the busy airport environment. Whether you're waiting for your next flight or simply seeking a moment to respite, it's a perfect place to relax and unwind. Now the movie theater. This was personally my favorite part of the Shanghai airport. They had six movies that were played two times during the day and during the nighttime. And the theater was actually really good, very comfy seats, pretty large display, nice speakers, and it was dark. So guys, this is the end of today's video. We've visited many gardens: the Cactus Garden, Water Lilies, Display Garden, Goldfish Garden, Butterfly Garden, and also the free movie theater. There are many fun and free activities to do in Singapore Airport. Don't forget to try it, like it, share it.